Hey guys, hope everybody is doing well today. Today is Wednesday and it is such a rainy day out here in my city. I'm actually out picking up something for lunch because I am starving. And I actually went to Cooper's Hawk. This is my first time eating there. So I will be sure to give the verdict on that. But right now I'm just kind of letting a few minutes go by before I go and pick up Aiden from school. And let me show y'all what I ended up getting from here. Nothing fancy really. It's just a little entree, a turkey burger entree. And I'm so hungry. I thought they would have enough courtesy, I guess, to put ketchup in here, but I don't know. Maybe they don't have like carry out ketchup. Looks kind of good. Looks pretty good actually. So that's what I got. And hopefully it is as good as it looks. Is this a pickle? Yes, this is a pickle. Okay. Alright, so far so good. These fries are yummy. So I don't know what this is. Is this green onions or something? Because when I make a turkey burger, I don't even put all that in it. I just make it just the same way I would a regular burger. And I don't always put like red peppers or stuff like that in my homemade burgers. I just make them, season them well, and they have a great flavor just like that. Not bad at all. So on the burger, there's a seasoned mayo, lettuce, tomatoes. And I got light onions because I don't like a whole lot of onions. And yeah, so that's what lunch is looking like for right now, guys. Hey guys, today is Wednesday, May 23rd. And the clip that you guys saw actually right before this one was from last week Wednesday, because I have not really been able to vlog the way that I have wanted to. So I'm just going to put everything together, but this vlog is going to end today because I really want to go back to my daily vlog that I was doing at one point. And yeah, so that's just what I'm going to be shooting for. But yeah, today has been a pretty good day. I just shampooed my hair and I'm letting it air dry now because I think I'm just going to wear it natural for a week or maybe a couple of weeks to just keep the heat off of it until I decide what type of weave I want to get. I think I'm probably going to get something like similar to my natural curl pattern, but you know, so once I install it, it's like a lot less maintenance. So it's probably going to still be short. I don't really want a lot going on in this heat, but yeah, so that's my hair situation. And right now I'm on my way to the nail salon because I got my nails done I think last week Tuesday, and I broke one because this set is kind of old and it took me a long time to go back and get it filling. So the nails seem to be like really fragile. Like this one has a little crack, so I'm probably gonna have to repair that one pretty soon. But yes, I'm going to at least just get this one done because it's been getting on my nerves. Like I broke it on Friday. Today is Wednesday, and I was actually just trying to let it heal up a little and see just how much it would grow between today and Wednesday. But I can't take it anymore. I wanted it to at least be over like the edge of my finger, but whatever. I just don't want to look at this any longer. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for right now. I ate Subway for breakfast, and I'm like right back hungry again. It's about what, 2 o'clock or 3, maybe almost 3. I don't even know. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I get in the nail salon. Oh, my battery. Okay guys, so I am back home, and as you can see, I did not make it to the nail salon. I actually had 2 impromptu stops that came up, and I just went to go do those, and I went and got Aiden from school, and I just came home. No, we went to Taco Bell, and I got something to eat and just came home. Now I'm in there cooking dinner. I'm making, right now I have some mixed vegetables on the stove, and I'm gonna do some jasmine rice and some chicken breasts, but I don't know if I want to just put like lemon on them or honey and lemon. Like when I think of that, it kind of makes me think about like tea. So I don't know if I want to make put the honey on there, but definitely the lemon. So that's what's for dinner. And right now Aiden's over there doing his homework. I'm gonna get to this nail salon tomorrow. Maybe in the morning, like right after I take him to school, or right before I start my shift or something like that. But I gotta get this done because it looks bad, like really bad. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Let me tell y'all what has been popping for me on Netflix. So I just finished dang, how am I forget my favorite all-time series right now? What the heck? Okay, it's gonna come back to me. I just went blank. But I've been watching The Fall lately, but there was another one right before that. Oh, hold on. Okay. Yeah, so it was another one that I was watching like right before that. I can't think of the name of it for some reason. I think it starts with an F too. The something that was another F, or I don't know. But it was good. And I watched that all 3 seasons like within 2 weeks. It was just so good. And so I'm watching The Fall now. I watched 7 Seconds. I watched Greenleaf. That was another good one. And Quantico. Now I don't know what's going on with that, but I googled it. And Quantico was actually supposed to come on season 3 on April 26th on Netflix. Now I don't know if that was supposed to be for TV or what, and Google just kind of tricked me a little bit, but I didn't see anything on there for Quantico for season 3. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed about that, but I'm enjoying what I'm watching so far. Now I'm trying to figure out how I feel about this hair of mine, because normally when I do like my wash and go styles, I never like it when I first do it. Like I literally did it just a few hours ago, and it's when it dries, it's always like so crunchy and tight looking, and I just really don't like how it looks. Okay. And like by day 3, everything starts to blend and look thicker and fuller or whatever. As it gets older, it just always looks better to me. So it's been a while since I did a wash and go because it just started getting hot, and I am just like a little annoyed by my hair. Not to mention that this little boy cut a chunk of my ponytail out. I had my hair straightened, and I was on the couch falling asleep, and he just decides that he's going to come with some scissors and cut a chunk of my ponytail out. So my hair is like super short now, and yeah, I just can't with him. But yeah, that's what's going on for right now, and I'll show y'all dinner when it's done. Okay, so here's my chicken. I have it soaking in some salt water. After I rinsed it off and put it in salt water, now I'm about to just pour that out and slice them so they'll end up having 4 pieces. And I'm going to season them and just put some lemon on them and toss these bad boys right in the oven. Here are, I need a pot holder. Wait a minute, my have to use my other mix. I don't even know what my probably is right now. But yeah, so those are my mixed veggies. And over here in this pot, I'm going to put my rice in that. So yes, that is what dinner is looking like so far. I have my chicken finally prepped. I sliced both pieces and split them into two. Then I went on and seasoned it. I added a little bit of parsley in here and some lemon. So this is what it's looking like, and I'm about to just throw it right in the oven for about maybe 50 minutes, a little less than an hour since they're so thin. And yeah, I'll show you what it's looking like when it's finally done. Okay, so dinner is done. Here's everything: the chicken, the lemon chicken, green beans. I'm sorry, mixed vegetables and rice. I do not know what's going on in my house, but I literally cannot find any of my forks. I mean, not even one. So I'm about to be eating dinner with a freaking teaspoon. How sad is that? I have to go replace them, but it's really troubling just knowing that they were here and now that they're not. Just totally weird. Okay, so we just finished having dinner. It was so freaking good. Everything was just on point. The jasmine rice, the mixed vegetables, the chicken, like everything just had the perfect amount of flavor. It was like I haven't had a home cooked meal in probably like a month almost. Like I have been eating out terribly. Like I have been a straight up fast food sister, okay? And this food here was just like freaking amazing. Like, oh, it was so good. As you can see, I left nothing behind. I literally cleaned my plate, and I'm gonna let this digest a little bit because I'm probably going to go in there and get another small plate. It was just that good. Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't really have much going on for the rest of the evening, but I will be vlogging tomorrow as well. I'll be going to the doctor's and to the nail salon. Hopefully nothing else gets in the way of me making it there, and I will see you guys then. Bye.